Okay, welcome back. Coming up in this next portion, this is part 2 of our playlist. I'm going to give you steps 3 and step 4 for you of the 10, for you, yes, you sitting right there taking notes, I love it, for you to build a recession responsive business. Coming up right now. All right, tribe, let's continue. You're only one video away now from your breakthrough. Could be this one. Here's what I want to do. Step 3, how to build a recession-responsive business. Step 3, build an email list. Oh, Gary, I got a salon management program. I've got a CRM for my business. Whatever business you may be in, small business. Yeah, I get that. You got emails in there. You got all your clients in there or your customers, depending on the nature of your business. I get that. What I'm suggesting is the power. Get this now. There is power in building an email list that aren't coming to your business, that aren't salon clients. Wherever you go, whatever you do, be creative and build an email list. If you go to an event and you're a part of it, get the email list or ask people everywhere you go. If you're in a group, ask them for their emails because you want to send them a newsletter. You want to give them the latest fads in hair fashion or whatever it might be. You can be so creative to get the emails. Offer them something to get their email. Offer them a free something. You can create a checklist, fashion checklist for 2020. There you go. Give me your email. Let me shoot it to you. Now you got them in your database. And I want you to build it. Here's your goal. I want you to build several thousand of these people that may not be coming to your business. Now think about it. The next time you have a downturn, you're sitting at home. You got an email list of all your clients that you can be communicating with. You have an email list of people who've never come to you that you can communicate with, that you can send them tips, jokes, keep your name out in front of them. Shoot them a little 1-minute video, like a TikTok video type format. And an email could be a newsletter, hottest, latest something that you just saw in a magazine, you wanted to share them. You could just start off your email. Hey, I just saw this in Vogue and I wanted to share it with you. And here's my take on it. Now we're going to get some other points and one of them is going to be about branding, but just that, here's my take on it is starting to build your brand. Email is invaluable. All right, let's go to step number 4. All right, step number 4 is build a cell phone list. You want to get everyone's cell phone as well. So if I'm out getting emails, addresses, I might as well get their cell phone with it. And you want to build that so that you can be sending text messages. You want to get a service that you can do SMS and MMS to their cell phones. SMS basically is short message service, which is our texting that we do today incessantly. MMS is multimedia service, where you can send links to videos and links to websites. You want to get a service like that. Now, personally, I belong to community.com. Not only am I setting up community for you all in my community, the tribe, the Thirsty Warrior tribe, but I'm also a member of someone else's community that has tens of thousands of people in this community. I get a text every single day from this person. Encourage, brief. I don't even mind answering it. It's so brief. Hey, right now through the recession, what he's doing and through this virus deal, he's sending things like, I'm really thinking of you, stay positive, I'm with you, I believe, be happy. Boom, that's it. So be disciplined and diligent to always be thinking, I need an email address and I need a cell phone from everybody that I meet, any groups that I go to. Get creative and think about where are there groups that would be my ideal clients that I can attend, maybe a networking group, whatever it might be, to get emails and cell phones. And this is going to go a long, long way, my friend. to help you build a recession-responsive business. Hit the like button if you like this. Join the tribe by subscribing, ding that notification bell, and get ready for part 3 coming up.